Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to make a chip slash snack bag using Cricut Design Space. And you're going to start off by getting 3 squares. Your first square you're going to measure at 9.25 by 6.75. Your second square you're going to measure at 4.65 by 6.75. And that's going to be the center of your bag. Your last square is going to be 2.31 by 6.75. And that last one, which is going to turn into a rectangle, you're going to duplicate it. So I'm using Cricut Design Space on my iPad because I was having difficulties yesterday, but I really don't like to use it on my iPad because it's, I'm not used to it. And for me, it's harder to find how to change the colors and everything. So I'm changing the colors just so that you can see the difference in the squares. That first square, um, that's the whole bag. And the other pieces you're gonna put on top. You're gonna piece it together like it's a puzzle. So the smaller ends, which was the last ones, those are gonna go on the side, and that second square is gonna go in the middle. So I'm bringing everything to the front. and and lining it up. And now I'm going to go and look for my images. So guys, I got these images from Google Images, and I already took the backgrounds out or whatever I needed to do so that I can put it in my design space. And I'm just going to drag these images to wherever I want on my bag. Now the barcode and the nutrition facts, I normally put those on the side because they're going to make the back of my bag. And this is just for a sample, so it's not going to be extravagant. It's just going to be a few images just to give you the idea of how to do your bag. So guys, once you finish putting all your images on your bag, you're going to take and select the whole square, and you're going to flatten the entire image. So just select the square and hit flatten. If you try to flatten before you get everything together, it's not going to work, and it's just going to frustrate you because you're going to wonder why um, your bag is not coming together right. Once you flatten it, you're going to send to your printer. You don't even need your Cricut to be on to send it to your printer. Send to your printer, and you're going to print it out, and then you're going to cut the lines off. You can cut it out yourself, or you can have your Cricut do it, but I prefer to cut it myself. Now guys, once you flatten it, you want to check to make sure that your size is still correct, which is the 9.25 by 6.75. Okay guys, so I printed out the bag that I'm going to use. Now what you're going to do is you're going to flip it over. Find where your back pieces are, and you're going to fold exactly where it is. You don't want to fold the middle with the back, because then your bag will be too small and it won't be right. So the backs are going to, they should overlap each other. And I see that I have a little bit that I need to cut off, so I'm going to cut that off, just trim it a little bit. So that it will be even. And I'm going to take my 1 ounce bag I got from Dollar Tree. And this is my double-sided tape dispenser. And I'm going to put tape in the middle. And I'm going to put tape on all 4 sides. And I got this tape dispenser from Michael's. It was $29, I believe. But of course I used my 50% off coupon. And got it for $16. So I'm going to take the cookies and I'm going to place it in the middle. And guys, once you put this down, it's going to be stuck. That tape is some good stuff. It's permanent tape, I believe. And I'm just going to push it together and make sure everything is lined up nice and neat. And then I'm going to squeeze together the ends. And then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to squeeze together the other ends. Once I've done that, I'm going to take the paper crumpler and I'm going to crumple both ends of my bag. And the paper crumpler I got from Amazon. I believe that was cheap. I can't remember the price, but I didn't pay a lot. So stick it in, turn it a little bit, and do the other end. Just to give it that realistic effect, as if it is a chip bag. And once I'm done this, I'm going to take my Pinking shears, and the Pinking shears I also got from Amazon, and I'm going to cut the edges. Now the paper I'm using is premium copy paper. I heard brochure paper is the best kind, but that was a bit expensive, so. Cut the edges, and then guys, at the end of this video, I will have pictures of other bags I've done. And I hope you guys understood this video. Hope I was clear and you got the idea.